Hello everyone, good day and welcome to our video lesson. Today, I will teach you how to use Mail Merge in Microsoft Word. Mail Merge is a very useful tool, especially when you need to create many letters, certificates, or notices with different names and details, but the same format. By the end of this lesson, you will understand what Mail Merge is and how to create a simple Mail Merge document step by step. Mail Merge is a feature in Microsoft Word that allows us to combine two files: a main document, this is your letter or certificate, a data source, this contains information like names, addresses, or sections. Instead of typing names one by one, Mail Merge does the work for us automatically. First, open Microsoft Word. Create or open the document that you want to send to many people. This can be a letter, invitation, certificate, or notice. Type the content of your document normally, but leave spaces where the name or other details will appear later. Next, look at the menu on top and click the Mailings tab. Under Mailings, click Start Mail Merge. Then, choose the type of document you are creating. For this lesson, we will choose letters. Now we need the list of names and information. Click Select Recipients. Then choose Use an existing list or type a new list, depending on what you have. Your data source is usually made in Microsoft Excel and includes name, address, section, or other needed details. Once selected, Word will connect your document to the list. After connecting the list, place your cursor where you want the name or details to appear. Click Insert Merge field. Choose the field you want, such as first name, last name, address. These merge fields act as placeholders. They will automatically change based on the data source. Before finishing, click Preview Results. This allows you to check if names appear correctly. Details match the data source. You can click the arrows to view each recipient's document. If everything looks correct, click Finish and Merge. You can choose to print the documents or edit individual documents. Microsoft Word will now generate separate documents for each person in your list. Documents quickly. It saves time and reduces errors. It is very useful for school and office work. Thank you for watching this lesson. Practice using Mail Merge, and you will see how easy and helpful it is. See you in our next lesson.